What's going on, everybody? Math with Chris. We're going to be converting percentages into decimals and fractions. Always a blast. Today we're going to look at an important one. That is the percent known as 50%. A lot of us know what that is already, but we're going to work it out as if we didn't. 50%, let's put that percent sign there so we don't get confused. 50%. All right, how do we convert percents into decimals? Well, the first thing we do is we take the number, that's 50, and we're just going to move over that decimal spot, 2 spots. That gives us 0.50. And when you have a 0 at the end of a decimal, you don't need it. So you can drop that 0 and you end up with just 0.5. That's our decimal for 50%, also equals 0.5. And now, how do we convert a percent into fraction? Well, we take the number, that's the 50, and we put it over our favorite number, which is 100. And if that could not be simplified, that would be done. But it can be simplified, so we're going to have to simplify it. If you need extra practice on simplifying fractions, we got a whole section of those. You check them out, as much practice as you need. But for here, we're going to simplify 50 100ths. What divides into both 50 and 100? Well, 50 does. So 50 divided by 50 is 1, and 100 divided by 50 is 2, and that equals 1/2. That's our final fraction answer. 50% equals 0.5 equals 1/2, which makes sense if you think about it. 50% is half of something, a half is half of something, 0.5 is half of something. If you have 50% of a pizza, you have half of a pizza, meaning you have 0.5 of a pizza. It all checks out when you think of it in pizza terms. I hope you guys found this helpful. We have a lot more of these. If you need more practice, check the video in the upper left, and have a great day. We will see you again real soon.